Dear student, we'll be doing chapter 12, area related to circle. Before we start, you have to know some of the formula to do this chapter. You have already done some of the formula in other class also, in grade 9, grade 8 also. Let us review the formula, even though you know. The first one is circle. Perimeter or circumference of a circle. Perimeter or circumference means boundary of a circle. Total length of the boundary is 2 pi r. Area formula, area of the circle, space, this space is pi r square. R is nothing but the radius of a circle. So this is for a circle. Semicircle means half of the circle. When you say half of the circle, length of the arc means only this arc, only this curved part, length of arc is half of this. That means only pi r. When we say perimeter of a semicircle means you have to add this length of arc plus the diameter. You can say length of arc is pi r plus the diameter. Area will be half of the area of the circle since it's half pi r square. Area of semicircle is half pi r square. Now you may also get a question with concentric circle. Concentric circle means two or more circle with the same center. With the same center we are making this circle. With the same center we are making another circle. And if you are to find the space between, not the whole circle but the space, this area, then the formula is area enclosed by the two concentric circle is pi r plus r, r minus r. You may get question based on this also. Next is sector. Sector means suppose there is a circle and you cut the circle from the center like a piece of cake. You're cutting a piece of cake. This portion is called a sector. The small part is called a minor sector and the bigger part, the small part is minor sector and the remaining part is major sector. But anyway, the area of sector formula is same as area of circle, pi r square. But since it is cut out at one angle, suppose we take the angle as theta, the value as theta, then area of sector formula is theta by 360 pi r square. Length of arc means suppose we're talking about this sector, length of arc means only this length up to this much is theta by 360 2 pi r. It's like circumference of circle 2 pi r, but we're just putting theta by 360. It's like circumference of circle 2 pi r, but we're putting theta by 360. When we say perimeter of a sector, you have to add this length of arc plus this plus this. So this is a radius, this is a radius. That means you're going to add L plus 2r. Length of arc is L, L plus 2r. There is also another formula of area of sector, half LR, but we don't use this too much. We'll be using mostly theta by 360 pi r square. The third part of this, you can pause the video to write the formula, all the formula. The third part of this is segment. When we say segment, segment is suppose there is a circle and we make one chord. This portion of area is called minor segment. And the remaining bigger portion is called major segment. Now, formula for finding this area. only this part, area of minor segment, depends on the angle. If the angle here is theta is, if the theta angle theta is less than 90 or less, or 90 degree, less than 90 or 90, we can use pi theta by 360 minus half sine theta outside r square. Clear? And if the angle is more than 90, then we can use pi theta by 360 minus, we divide the angle, sine theta by 2, cos theta by 2, and outside is r square. This sine theta, cos theta, you just have to put the value. When you do trigonometry, you will come to know, and if you have done trigonometry, it's very easy to put the value. Area of major segment is simple. Major segment means the bigger portion. To find the major segment, just from the circle you have to minus the minor segment. First you will find minor segment, then you will find the major segment. So from the circle, minus area of this portion is major segment. So area of circle minus, if you do the minor segment, the remaining is a major segment. You can pause the video to write the formula. Thank you.